Hi all, welcome. Today we are going to look into a very important topic in Selenium, and let's go in. So in the previous videos we have looked into what manual testing is, its challenges, how automation helps to overcome those challenges. And this video will discuss about Selenium. So in 2004, Jason Huggins developed a JavaScript runner that automates tests in web application, which is known as Selenium. Since Selenium is a collection of different automation tools, it has different developers for each and every one. Selenium is an open source free automation tool that can be used in various browsers such like Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Internet Explorer, and much more. And Selenium also supports more languages such like Java, Python, C#, Perl, Ruby, JavaScript, and there are much more languages that can support. Moving on to the next slide. Selenium Suite consists of 4 components. The first one is Selenium IDE, Selenium Integrated Environment. The second one is Selenium RC, Selenium Remote Control, and WebDriver. And fourth one is Selenium Grid. So as you can see, first you can see Selenium Suite. Selenium Suite is a collection of 4 different automation tools, which is known as Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, that is Remote Control, WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. So on the next level, there is Selenium 2 and Selenium 3. So what you have to know is now the Selenium Remote Control and WebDriver merged into as one frame, and they have formed Selenium 2 and Selenium 3. So you might ask, where is Selenium 1? So Selenium 1 is Selenium Remote Control. So Selenium Remote Control is the one known as Selenium 1. Moving on. So whenever anyone talks about automation testing, the first thing that comes into mind is Selenium. So why do people start with Selenium? Is Selenium the only automation tool that exists? No. There are plenty of great automation tools available. So why do people start with Selenium? Let's look at. There are several automation tools available in the market. In order to see why Selenium is best than the other popular automation tools, we need to do a comparison between popular automation tools such like UFT and RFT. So UFT is a newer version of QTP. So as you can see, HP is UFT, which is earlier known as QTP, and IBM's RFT and Selenium. So we are going to do a comparison between these automation tools. First, in the first two, we need the license. And for the Selenium, as it is an open source tool, we don't need a license. And in order to get the license, we have to pay so much money. And this one for HP and IBM is very costly. And again, in Selenium, since it's an open source tool, it is free. And UFT and RFT, there are only limited add-ons are there. And in Selenium, you have much more add-ons were there. Whatever you wanted to do in Selenium regarding the testing, going to be there, and it is extensible. Fourth comparison is this is used only in the Windows platform, and RFT is used in Windows and Red Hat Linux platforms. But Selenium, you can operate in various platforms, various operating systems such like Windows, Linux, iOS, and much more. And the fifth one is it can be tested only in Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Firefox. And here in RFT, in Windows it can be tested only in Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Firefox. And in Linux, can be tested only in Firefox. And Selenium can be tested in different browsers. It can be Chrome, it can be Internet Explorer, Firefox, Safari, whatever it is. And it is also supportable each and every operating system. Therefore, you do not need to worry about anything. And next one is it supports only VB script, and whereas RFT supports Java and C#. But Selenium supports for multiple languages such like Java, JavaScript, Python, C#, Perl, Ruby, and there are much more than this. Very important point next is when you are executing the test scripts, the UFT and RFT has high hardware consumption rates, whereas in Selenium it's low hardware consumption, which is a very great function to be noted. Now you may have known why Selenium is best, so that's why people are starting with Selenium. So hope you guys understood about today's video. So from the next video onwards, we will be moving into Selenium practical sessions. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section so I can reply to you as soon as I can. And if you like my video, please like and share it with your friends, whoever needs help. And please subscribe and don't forget to click that bell button. Thank you. Bye.